All right.
Take off flaps.
Crazy man going up. All right, guys, taking off.
Timer cleared. Gear up.
Just because the sun's right there at us. I could see it.
Flaps up.
That fast pass was with flaps down. I didn't realize it. It was still good though, but anyway.
Should I make them brighter?
I think you could. It didn't affect anything. It still flies fine.
Yeah, but if I'll make a bigger unit,
Time
it's
remaining
gonna.
2 minutes.
That's my problem. I wanna.
Ran, I think it's good. I think I just need to put something reflective in there.
Yeah, maybe some foil.
Just in the tail cones themselves, you know. It looked good to me. I see something, you know. Normally you don't see anything.
Nice. Yeah, you can see them. You can. After hours, it's gonna.
Oh, it's gonna be amazing.
In the dusk, it's gonna be amazing.
Yeah, I see it too.
Yeah, you can definitely see the light.
Yeah, that's good. I like it. I need it for others. With the singles, you'll really see it.
Yeah, on the
With
F-16,
the F-16?
it's gonna be beautiful.
Yeah. All right, I'm doing another blast from the right.
Time remaining 1 minute.
By the way, I've seen people putting that on the A10. The A10 doesn't have afterburner.
No, not at all.
Those guys won't have afterburner. Yeah, quick. I wonder if
Hey, Ran, you should make one that's just pure white.
30 seconds.
Or like a bluish white. Because this plane, its afterburners are bluish white. I do. No, I like it. Because the MiG, it'll look perfect in the MiG. But it's like an orange color.
7.
It's like an orange color.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
I want to see Sharm's face once you see the afterburner. Hey, your motor is on fire!
Oh my God! Only thing missing is some smoke. All right, I should land.
Yeah, if you see smoke, it's not really.
That's not a good thing, no. So let me do a gear pass, then I'm coming in.
Say about where the smoke.
Especially on Friday with all that 420 crap.
Let's see how bright that's on the F-16.
Take off flaps. Landing flaps.
Hold on 1 second. Let this dude land before we blast him with sound in his ear. And then
1
he freaks
minute
out.
over.
Oh, that's easy.
Nice. Stick to landing.
Stop!
It will eventually.
Flaps up.
Probably want to turn together with the run. With the road.
Come on back. You go the speed limit too, so I'll stay out of car's way. Ah, that was nice.
Nice, dude.
Talk about an adrenaline rush. Holy crap.
That's that desert camo paint, right?
Yeah.
Woo! Yeah.
Those spots now.
Oh, good thing you didn't. This thing's a pain in the ass.
I'll tell you, well, I started reading about it, and it said it was for more skilled pilots.